If any of you ever had one of these boat hooks by Garlic, the telescoping kind, very nice, work great for boating. The problem I have with it is the tip always comes off, this tip. And Garlic puts a red tip on there, which I always lose. Bad part about it is all you can do is get a whole nother boat hook, or you can get this piece here that comes with a brand new red tip. They're about $13, $14. But I found this tip here. This is from Sea Dog Line. You can get them through iboats.com, and they are about $2. So I'd much rather just get the tip than get this piece here, which you probably have a hard time replacing anyway. Just a tip for you boaters out there. Thank you for your time.